Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M06 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, PIN or pattern. As you can see, incorrect PIN entered. Okay, if we try to power it off, you can see it is asking PIN to turn off the phone. Okay, first what you have to do, first connect your Samsung Galaxy M06 5G to the laptop and PC with the help of a USB cable. Okay, now I'm going to connect it to my laptop. As you can see, it is successfully connected. Now, to restart the phone, what you have to do, press and hold the volume down and power button together until the phone restart. And when the screen turn off, wait for a few seconds and now press and hold the volume up and power button together. And now release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Now go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, again ask for password, PIN, or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M06 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.